Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to set up Hey Google on Android phone. Okay, first of all, let's just open our Google application on our Android phone. Then we can tap on our profile right here on the top right corner of our screen. Then there will be several options for us and we have to click on the settings option. Tap on the settings option, then just click on the Google Assistant to activate the Hey Google feature. Okay, and tap on Hey Google and voice match. And here you can set up your Hey Google feature. You can click on this toggle button to activate the Hey Google or Google Assistant on your Android phone. And right after you tap on this toggle button, the Hey Google feature will be activated on your Android phone. Alright guys, and that's how we can set up Hey Google on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.